I'm Polly Bath, and I travel around the country helping schools navigate, manage, intervene with behavior, things that get in the way of instruction. Today, I'm going to answer a question that's based on a middle school classroom. Here goes. My 6th graders are completely apathetic in class. How can I motivate them? Wow, that's a loaded question. How do we motivate them? I have a couple thoughts about this. One is, I think that we've really lost track of internal motivation versus external motivation. Our kids have learned now that they're going to get something if they do something. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I say to kids, come on, get this done, you get this on time. What are we going to get? Are we going to get some kind of reward? What are you going to do? What are we going to get? Somehow we have to shift that a little bit and get them to understand that not everything is going to come with an external reward. So they have to have some more internal drive. The only way that has worked for me as a teacher is to really kind of not get frustrated with it, but to let go of the way I deliver instruction a little bit. Basically, I become a little silly. And here's why. I found that my classroom doesn't always remember what I taught, but they remember that I might have been in costume dancing in front of the room when I taught it. I know that's an extreme example, but kids will manufacture some internal motivation when they remember that delivery. You know, you and I will remember that teacher that kind of made it a little fun and did something silly, whatever. I think we need more of that now. And reason being is because our kids need to see us enjoying education so they can enjoy education. They are used to being entertained. Let's face it, we are a technology world. They are used to being entertained all the time. That doesn't mean that I've got to, do backflips in front of my class every day to get them motivated. But I do want to shift a little bit so that they can have some sort of motivation to come in and go, hey, this is really not a bad place to be. And I think that could be helpful for us. Go back to having joy in education. Show them how much you love it so they can love it back. Thanks for watching today. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in future videos, put those in the comments below.